Okay, so this is how you make an account with Replit. This is how you sign up with their website. Um, so on my screen, I have the Microsoft Edge. It can be any browser. Um, Chrome, Firefox will do. So you click on the address bar and then you type the website name, replit.com. So if you can see this logo, that's their website. So click it. This is how their site looks like. And on the top right, you need to click sign up and then continue with Google. You can choose for personal use. So let's do that. And then new to coding. So this is an option for you to take either because there are many tutorials on the internet and also with the Replit website. So maybe you can just go, no, I got this. All right, so once you're logged in with your account, the first thing you need to look at is this side here. So make sure it's your name. Then when you click it, you can modify your profile, and here is also the log out button if you want to log out from your account. And then this one you can just close. Um, Next thing is over here. This button create a Replit file, and also this one they are the same. It's this one as well. So this is the button we will click if you want to create a new Replit file, but we will do that later on. And then the next important part of the screen here is this one, the folder that says My Replits, Replit files. So if you will click it, all the Replit files that you will create from now on will be here. You can make subfolder inside this folder here so that your files or your Replit files will be organized. Okay, so that's how you make an account with Replit.